YouTube. We're going to do Seagirls Violet. Someone requested this and they left a comment and I accidentally deleted it, so sorry about that. It's a mistake. The song starts out with synthesizers, but when they do the unplugged version, they play a D, A, E. Stays on D for like 2 measures, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. A stays on 1, 2, 3, 4. E 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do 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 do. All right, that's the verse. D A E. Now, then there's a transition that occurs a couple times in the song. It's actually based on a G chord. It's kind of a walk down. All right, so that's four little chords there. It starts on with your D string and your finger on the 2nd fret. And you play open G and B. Then you walk down to your D string on the 1st fret, and then you let go and play open. That's your G, and then the 4th part is you play the A, and that's how the chorus starts. I'm selling cigarette. I'm not leaving here without you. So it's A, D, B minor. So each gets 1 measure equally. A, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right, and if you want, if you have trouble with bar chords, you want to do a cheat for the B minor. You take your A minor shape that you would normally play on the 1st fret, and then slide it up to the 3rd fret. It's a B minor now, so that would sound like this. You could play the high E in there too, and then go to the E. Okay, that's the whole song. Thanks for that request. Sorry I deleted it. It was an accident. Bye.